So now we need to discuss Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. Let's quickly do them, right? So let's come to Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, guys. So let's read this question, right? Given a temperature F in Fahrenheit. So you are given a temperature in Fahrenheit. Your task is to convert it into Celsius using the following equation. What is the following equation? Temperature in Celsius is equals to temperature in Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. So I'm pretty sure the formula is C is equal to F minus 32. Let's look at the formula. F minus 32 into 5 by 9. This is the formula that is given. Okay. This is the entire formula. Boss, you have the temperature in Fahrenheit and you want to get the temperature in Celsius. So let's say the temperature is 50. That is 50 Fahrenheit. So what will you get as output? 50 minus 32 is 18. 18 into 5 is 90. 90 by 9 is 10. So 50 degree Fahrenheit is 10 degrees Celsius and the output is 10. Okay. And what is the explanation, guys? Let's read the explanation. 1 second. Okay, guys. F minus 32 into 5 by 9. That is my formula, right? So F minus 32, 50 minus 32 is 18, right? 18 into 5 by 9. So 18 into 5 is 90, 90 by 9 will be 10. Okay. So using this, you need to find the temperature in Celsius. And what it is written, it is guaranteed that F minus 32 will be a multiple of 9. And why are they guaranteeing this? Because so that we don't have to give the answer in decimals, right? अगर मैं तुमको बोलता हूँ कि F minus 32, when you do F minus 32, it is a multiple of 9, right? So what are you doing, guys? Try to understand. First of all, you calculate F minus 32, it is a multiple of 9, right? Then you multiply it by 5. So F minus 32 is a multiple of 9 and you multiply it by 5. So whatever result you get, that will also be a multiple of 9. So it will be exactly divisible by 9. You won't get decimal answers. For example, let's say F is 50, right? If I have 50 degree Fahrenheit. So what is F minus 32? I first do F minus 32. F minus 32 is 18 and 18 is a multiple of 9. So 18 into 5 by 9. This is what we want to do. Now if 18 is a multiple of 9, definitely 18 into 5 is also a multiple of 9. What is 18 into 5, guys? 18 into 5 is 90. So you get 90 here and then you do 90 by 9. I know that this is a multiple of 9, so I will get answer in whole integer. Okay. So when they say F minus 32 will be a multiple of 9, now you are not caring about exact decimals, right? Because my answer will always be integer only. F minus 32 is a multiple of 9 now. So obviously F minus 32 into 5 will always be a multiple of 9. And when you divide a multiple of 9 by 9, you won't get any decimals, right? You will get exact division. Okay. So that is why. I will ask you the question later on a little bit, right? So how do we do this, guys? Let's take, first of all, let's make a scanner. Okay, made a scanner. Now let's take the temperature. So int F, let's call it F, right? So the temperature in Fahrenheit, SC dot next int. So I will read a temperature from the user in Fahrenheit. Now I want to give the temperature back in Celsius. So what is the formula, guys? Temperature in Celsius is equal to, what is int C? Int C is nothing but, first of all, compute F minus 32. Once you have F minus 32, you will multiply it with 5 and then divide the result by 9. Okay. I don't have a problem, right? First of all, what will be performed? F minus 32, because we are putting it inside brackets. Then F minus 32 is performed, then you will do whatever you get here. Now you will first multiply it with 5 and then you will divide the result by 9. And because F minus 32 is a multiple of 9 now, F minus 32 into 5 will also be a multiple of 9. Guys, think of it like this. Think of it like this. F minus 32 is guaranteed to be a multiple of 9. So F minus 32 will be 9 alpha, 9 into something if it is a multiple of 9, right? So 9 into alpha multiplied by 5 divided by 9. So first of all, this multiplication will happen. So 9 alpha into 5, what you will get? 9 alpha, 45 alpha, right? 45 alpha. And then you divide 45 alpha by 9, so you will get 5 alpha, right? What I'm telling you is if F minus 32 is a multiple of 9, then this thing into 5 will also be a multiple of 9 for sure. If 9 is a multiple of 9, 9 into anything will also be a multiple of 9 only. Okay. So this entire thing is a multiple of 9. So when you divide by 9, we will get exact answers. No decimals and all will be coming into the picture. Okay. So you get the temperature in Celsius. Okay. And what do I need to do? I just need to put it system.out. .println. See. Okay. Now let's try to run it. Take 50 degree Fahrenheit and what's the Celsius output? 10. Let's see whether output is coming as 10 or not. Yes, it's coming fine. Minus 40 degree Fahrenheit, it should be same. Let's see. Minus 40 degree in Fahrenheit is minus 40 degree in Celsius. Let's confirm our analysis. Yes, it's coming fine, right? So I think we can click on submit and let's see if all the test cases pass or not. Okay. Okay, guys. So tell me, guys, is this logic clear to everyone? Is this understanding clear to everyone what we are trying to do? Explain the note again. Okay. See, what is the note saying? देखो भाई नोट क्या बोल रहा है मैं बताता हूँ. देखो बॉस हम लोग कर क्या रहे हैं? वी आर गेटिंग द टेम्परेचर इन फ़ारेनहाइट, राइट? एंड माय जॉब इज टू कन्वर्ट द टेम्परेचर टू सेल्सियस. तो फॉर्मूला क्या दिया है? f minus 32 into 5 by 9. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, f minus 32 अगर आप मैथ्स में देखो तो कुछ ऐसा होगा, into 5 into this by 9, something like this is the formula, right? Now what they are telling you is the note is that f minus 32 is a multiple of 9. So first of all we will evaluate f minus 32, and f minus 32 जो होगा ना, that will be a multiple of 9. So let's say f is 50, that means you will have 18. f minus 32 is 18. 18 is a multiple of 9, and then you are saying into 5 by 9. So up guys, what operation will be performed? First of all, into will be performed, right? So this is a multiple of 9 now. It has been guaranteed that f minus 32 is a multiple of 9. तो अब आप इस multiple of 9 को multiply कर रहे हो 5 के साथ, so it will still remain a multiple of 9. So what is the answer of this? 18 into 5 is 90. And I know that 90 is still a multiple of 9. So when you do 90 by 9, you will get 10. Okay. When 90 is a multiple of 9, now you don't have to worry about decimals coming into the picture, right? मेरा final answer integer ही आएगा. If f minus 32 is a multiple of 9 now, then the final answer in Celsius will be an integer only. Because see, f minus 32 is a multiple of 9. So when you multiply this multiple of 9 with 5, the answer is still a multiple of 9. And then you are dividing this multiple of 9 by 9. So not a problem. Not a problem, right? That is what is understood by the note. Right? Now guys, if I just complicate things a little bit for you, if I say you, hey, I don't know, right? The answer might also come in decimal, right? It's not necessary that, you know, f minus 32 is a multiple of 9. Then what will you do? Double होगा, ठीक है? Now basically, you know, I want exact precision. I want exact precision. Okay, let's say f minus 32 now. So let's say guys that f is 40. Okay, f is 40. So f minus 32 is 8. 8 into 5 by 9, right? So 8 into 5 is 40. 40 by 9. I want exact thing like 4 point something Celsius. So what will I do, guys? What do I need to do? Can anybody help me? One simple thing that I can do. I need to make it double, right? For sure double. Okay, so f will be an integer. Let's assume that f is an integer only. But the final output, I want in exact decimals, right? I am not sure whether f minus 32 is a multiple of 9 or not. So first of all, f minus 32 will happen. Then we can just write here into 5.0. So when we multiply it with 5.0 now, the result changes to double. And when you divide it double by 9, you will get full fractions, right? And here you can make the data type of C as double. Okay. Are you getting this part? You can change 30.0 into 30, just cast it into an integer, right? So this you can do, but in this question, they have not made things so complex for us. So you don't have to worry about a 0.0. Just do a normal into 5 by 9 because the final answer will be coming in an integer only. But just remember guys, if you want exact in decimals and you don't want f minus 32, अगर तुमको बोलता है कि f minus 32 may not be a multiple of 9, right? Okay, then you want exact divisions. If you want exact answer now, then you can make any one of 5.0 कर दो या फिर यहाँ पे 9.0 कर दो. Okay, so that you get your answer in double. Okay. Did you get the problem? Here what they are saying is f minus 32 is a multiple of 9. So you will never get decimal answer. So you don't need to worry about that, right? You will always get integers. But if f minus 32 was not a multiple of 9 now, then the actual temperature in Celsius will be in decimals. So if you want to get the temperature in decimals, you have to make it here 5.0 or 9.0. Okay, so that the entire answer comes in double. Okay, cool. Necessary. It's not necessary to do it here, right? Because here they have guaranteed that f minus 32 is a multiple of 9. So first of all, f minus 32 is evaluated multiple of 9. You multiply by 5. Still a multiple of 9. You divide by 9. You will get the answer, which is a proper integer. So you don't need to worry. Okay. So I think the code has ran already. Okay. So is everyone clear, guys, with this? Very important and nice question. Can we do system.out.println f minus 32 into 5? Yes, you can do. You can do. You can do. Okay. Great. So I think let's move ahead. The test cases are such that it is a multiple of 9. Correct. F minus 32 is a multiple of 9. That is taken care by the test case. Okay. But if you want a more generic solution, I would say that, you know, your temperature in Fahrenheit can also be a double, right? And the temperature in Celsius can also be a double. Okay. So for the most generic case, you have to make the temperature in Fahrenheit a double, right? So the temperature that you take as input will also be a double, and an output will also be a double. That will be the most generic case. Okay. Oh, let's come to the next question. The last question which I gave you guys as homework was Celsius to Fahrenheit, right? And if you have done this question, I am pretty sure you would have done this also. Given the temperature of a city in Celsius, your task is to convert the temperature to Fahrenheit and returned it. It is guaranteed that C will always be a multiple of 5. Okay. So guys, what was the formula? C by 5 is equals to F minus 32 by 9. This is the formula, right? So मेरे को क्या बोलता है guys? I know the temperature in Celsius. I want to convert it into Fahrenheit. So let's get the expression for F. So F will be equal to, send 9 here. So 9 into C by 5 plus 32. Do you all agree with this expression for F? First, let's see. Do you agree with this expression for F? C by 5 is equals to F minus 32 by 9. This is the general formula in maths, right? So I just cross multiply and the expression for F will be 9 into C by 5 plus 32. Okay. Now what they are telling? It is guaranteed that C is a multiple of 5. So 9 into C will also be a multiple of 5. So there is no question coming of decimals, right? Everything will be integers. Okay. ये जो नोट है ना ये वापस से मेरे को बोलता है कि this will be an integer only. C is a multiple of 5. So there is no question coming of decimals or doubles. Okay. So let's quickly write. Okay, I'll just write this formula here. F is equals to 9C by 5 plus 32. Okay. कोई याद रखना ये 9C by 5 into 32. Let's clean it up. Or let's clean with eraser so that we don't miss important parts. Okay. So now let's try to write the code here. Okay. Yeah, I'll just quickly do it so that everyone knows how to do it. Very simple, same logic, same concern. The formula is just changed now. Okay. So scanner SC new scanner system dot int. Read a Celsius. This time you will be reading a temperature in Celsius. So int C is equals to SC dot next int. Okay. Now we have read this integer. Now I want to convert it into Fahrenheit. So int Fahrenheit is equals to what? 9 into C by 5. Okay. So not a problem. Plus 32. So guys, see, if you want, you can put brackets also. Okay, 9 into C pehle hoye, then you do this. If you want, you can put explicit brackets also for your better understanding, right? But even without brackets, this will work fine because first of all, 9 into C will happen, then division by 5 will happen, and then addition will 32 will happen. So that is not a problem, right? So you get the temperature in Fahrenheit, but if you want to be more careful, you first do 9 into C. Once you are done with that, then do a division by 5, and then only add 32 to the answer. Okay, so you can be more confident and more comfortable by putting brackets if you want. Okay. So you get the temperature in Fahrenheit, and then we just need to do a system.out.println. Okay, let's try to run it for one example. 25 degrees Celsius is 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Right? Let's try to verify it. 77 coming fine. So let's submit it. Okay. So all the test cases have passed, right?